everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope all of you are doing great and are keeping safe. Well, for today's video, I will be giving you complete information about what's happening in Goa with regards to the number of cases. And I will also be talking about the current curfew that is in place. And I will also be discussing as to why you should not be traveling to Goa at this point in time. So all of this in today's video, so stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And also, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also do click on that notification bell icon to get notified every single time we release new videos. Over the last couple of days, I have been receiving loads and loads of messages, from all of our subscribers and viewers of this channel, asking me as to whether or not is it safe for them to travel, what do I suggest, what in my opinion should they be doing, whether or not they should come down, and what does the current situation in Goa look like, are things open. So my video will be covering all of this, and I will be addressing this one by one. So with regards to the number of active cases that are in Goa, it's 3,000 plus cases. And for yesterday's report, there was about 1,000 plus cases that were reported. And yesterday, there was 6 plus cases of the new variant, which is the Omicron variant that was detected in Goa. So the cases are steadily, but surely increasing on a daily basis. And there are lots and lots of more people that are being infected. There are more and more of our neighbors and friends that are being infected. So we're getting to hear a lot of news of people around us, being infected. So the cases are definitely rising. And I personally feel, this is again in my opinion, if at all you're planning to come down this month, kindly avoid or refrain from coming down, because it's certainly not worth the risk for you to come down, and there are high possibilities that you could get infected or you could even spread it to someone else. So in my opinion is for you to wait probably till the 26th to hear what are the new norms, and also to see whether or not the cases are decreasing, to see whether or not there is some sort of an improvement with regards to the curfew that is in place. We're all hoping for a positive response. Another thing that we all need to keep in mind is that if we do not cooperate, this is something which will not go away. So at this point in time, it's just a curfew that is in place from 11 p.m. till about 6 a.m., which is up until the 26th of January. But if the cases are still increasing and we still have lots and lots of people, being infected in Goa, then there are high possibilities of even, a lockdown being imposed as well, right? So I think this is something that we all need to come together to make sure that, the cases are still lower, and we're also being safe as well. And also with regards to the curfew, I keep getting asked many times the same question, saying, are things open? Is there actually a curfew? Yes, there is a curfew that everybody needs to strictly follow and adhere to. So everything is shut here from 11 p.m. in the night, and is shut until 6 a.m. in the morning. So everything is again open from 6 a.m. And another question that I keep getting asked is, are the casinos and the nightclubs functional? Now, since we do have the curfew in place, it is not supposed to be functional technically, right? So everyone here in Goa is supposed to be following the rules and the curfew norms that is being imposed by the government. Now, we will only get to know what is the progress and the next update by the 24th or the 25th of January. So stay tuned and do subscribe to the channel, because I will be giving you such information, news and updates regularly, to keep you informed about the current situation. And also my channel has loads and loads of other videos that you can go and binge watch. I've made a lot of videos on places that you should be visiting, and also places that you should be visiting for your food when you are in Goa. So lots of fun videos that are made. Do go check them out. And if you like today's content, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to leave your comments down below, and I will make sure that I answer to most of your questions that you may have. And also do give me suggestions on what sort of videos would you like me to make in the future as well. So until we meet again, bye for now.